Alright, this is Mitch Stowers. I am doing my cable tester project. First I'll show you what all we got here. We have 9-volt battery, a bunch of alligator clip cables. We got an LED right here. And we have a TS cable that we got right here. So, what we're going to do first is we are going to check to make sure our LED works and everything. So I already checked everything else, but we'll just run through this. And the first thing we have to consider is resistance level. And using Ohm's law, I found out that we need a 450 volt or a 450 resistor, but due to voltage drop in the battery of about 2 volts, I used a 390 resistor. And so we're going to hook it up now. Make sure it works. Alright, there we go. I think you can see that. Yep. So that's working. So now we're actually going to test the TS cable. So we are going to run voltage through it. And what I did here at the end was I connected it, I just completed the circuit with a cable. So, oops, that came off. Okay, there we go. And so now, hook this up. The LED should light up because everything's working. So there we go. Perfect. So there we go. That was my cable tester project, and this is Mitch Stowers. Thanks. Bye.